Stop by and take a look at the 2020 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.